Close the door on your brother and you were just watching? Jeremiah, where you at? Jeremiah. Go get your brother out, Kason. Go let him out. Go let him out. Go open the door. Concerned. Surprise! Oh my gosh, surprise. Oh. He's not gonna let you close the door on him, Jeremiah. Nice try though.